Shaggy! Shaggy, come here. There you are. Come on. Come on. Come on, Shaggy. Shaggy. Come on. I wonder why Shaggy won't come.
Shaggy!
He's under the couch.
Come here, boy. Come on. You can do it. You can do it.
I don't think he can fit. Trying to find a way out. Come on, Shaggy. You can do it. You can do it. Right here. Right here. No, he just can't fit under. See, he just got out of the big area. Good job. Good job. Both of you. Good job.
Hey, boys.
Good job. She got you both
Stand.
treats.
Stand.
They sit most of the time. Shaggy just stood. Okay, eat your treat.
Scooby, sit. Sit. Hey,
Just
you
give it
stole
to him.
the treat.
Ay, ay, ay.
Look over here. It was a fail that Scooby stole the treat.
Ah, Shaggy, stop it. Okay, Shaggy, Scooby, come on. Shaggy, come on.
Let's go on the tree.
He tried to. He's like, no, no. Shaggy, come on.
Go of it.
Come on, Shaggy. Shaggy, come on.
Let's go of it.
Go. Go. Come on. Okay, go down the porch. Come on. Shaggy.
Can't believe we're taking a video of this.
I look away when they go to the bathroom, Leah. that was weird. Okay, get her bathroom puppies. Outside in our little neighborhood. We're outside in our little neighborhood waiting for our dogs to go to the bathroom. Stupid bug. Shaggy, no. Shaggy, away from the road. Flies are buzzing around my head. Yeah, I'm a first timer. This is the first time I've ever, recorded a video.
It's our second video.
Make sure to check out my puppies.
And
Hey.
since we like FGTV so much, we're kind of like making videos so they could see our videos.
Yeah, they might check them out sometime, just not today.
Or maybe today later.
Maybe. I already have 3 views on one of my videos.
Yeah, I put 1 view. And how many thumbs up do you have?
None yet.
Okay.
I have no
We're
comments
gonna
yet either.
Record some gamings.
We're gonna we record gaming, drawing, all kinds of things.
And even playing Play-Doh and stuff.
And puppies.
Yeah, check out my puppies. It has both of our puppies in it.
and animals and all kinds of things.
And it also has
And trips and
names.
trips and trips.
Even riding bikes. Don't
If someone
forget to check
if someone
out
holds
those.
us. When we do make any.
We did some on our camera, but didn't upload them.
Yep. I could upload them.
Stop barking.
It's on YouTube. What do you really want to see on YouTube?
They bark all the time, and they're in a video, so they don't know that.
You guys are in a
Stop
video.
barking.
You're in a video. You're in a video, Shaggy. Okay, let's bring them in. They peed. That's good enough. Come on, Shaggy.
Come on. Ruby is
Okay, go up the porch, Shaggy.
and the one that
Okay.
could get a bone.
Come on, Shaggy.
And our little brother threw them both.
Come on, Shaggy.
Come on, boy. It's windy but warm.
Yeah. Come on. They peed. Okay, Shaggy. Okay, Scooby, Shaggy. Come on. Come on. Hey, Shaggy even jumped over it. Okay, Scooby, come on. They jumped over it. Both the puppies jumped over it. Is a Minecraft hookup?
No, but I can.
Okay. Sorry, Cheeky.
I'm just doing this very carefully.
Your fish back there.
Yeah, I know, I already did.
Oh, there's one right there. There's a giant fish hiding somewhere. I just don't know where he went. Our fish are scaredy cats. This is our rabbit.
Hey, show them my giant fish.
I tried to. I couldn't find him.
Come on, I know where he is.
And this is our little white bird. Snow White. She's a scaredy cat.
You've already seen Cheeky.
Yeah. Come on.
Let's go see our little friend.
He's hiding. Our little lizard loves hiding. Scooby, stop it!
See you on our gaming.
Bye! No, I can't hold this and play the game at the same time.
Have a dragon
Are you
day.
gonna hold it since you're eating ice cream? Where's the remote?
Wait.
Okay, we'll have to go black for a second. Have a dragon day. The video's not over yet. The video's not over yet. Now it is. Bye. Hope you had a good day.